Alright guys, so welcome to this training. My name is Austin. Have you ever wanted to build a website, start an online business, or create an e-commerce store, but you have no idea where to start? Don't worry. Maybe you think you need to learn coding or it's too complicated. That's fine if you think so. But well, I have great news for you. In this free class, I'm going to show you how to build and monetize digital platform without writing any single line of code. You'll be learning how to design e-commerce websites, news blogs, and lots more. Yeah, you heard me right. You are not writing any single code for all of that. And the best part is that this course is completely free. It's totally free. So these are the things you're going to learn. Firstly, I will show you how you can set up your domain and hosting and installation of WordPress, because we are using WordPress for this tutorial, for the purpose of this tutorial. You'll be learning how to design e-commerce like this, where you list services, where you list goods and services like this. Let's say all of you know what is e-commerce. E-commerce is now. You'll be able to do something like this. For your business, I mean any kind of business you're doing and you need e-commerce for it, you'll be able to do something like this. And this is the checkout process. This is the checkout process. Nigeria. And then source. This is how your users will feel it. So you can get their details to contact them on delivery to know where they are living. You know that. They can choose cash on delivery, check payment, or any type of payment method you are adding. I'll teach you how to do all this. And you see, say thank you, your order has been received. And if you go to the webmail of this particular e-commerce now, you will see the details I filled in. All these details now here, you will see it on the webmail, notifying the vendor that yes, someone has just placed an order on the website. Also on this training, you'll be learning how to design a news blog. I believe all of you knows what a news blog is. A news blog is a news company like Vanguard, Legit Ninja, and lots more, where you'll be blogging about daily news and trends. All these things where you are earning is to get income from it. You also learn how to design a company website. And I mean company website. For a company, it might be car dealer company, any type of company at all. You design their website for them, or if you own the company, you can design yours for yourself. And you can also design e-commerce We are also going to design e-commerce on this training. I know most of you know what not e-commerce, sorry. We are also going to design a courier and logistics website. I know most of you know what courier website is, and most of you don't know. Courier and logistics is a website. The courier and logistics website is a website for courier services where clients track their luggages, and you print invoice for them right from this website too. Let's track one demo that I added to see how it looks like. You see? Okay, I made a mistake there. You see? This is how it will look on your client device. Let's say the client is using phone or anything at all to track their luggage. You people know what tracking is now, like all those USPS services, DHL, and lots more. This is exactly what you are going to learn to build, how to build it. And guess what? All this is strictly free. I'm not charging you a dime to learn this. So I would advise you to stay calm while we upload more videos on this. And please, like I have advised you all before, do not post any spam link on this group, and don't send message privately to anyone with any Ponzi offer. Do what you are here for. You are here to learn and stay focused. Thank you and God bless you. Amen.